Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your laptop or desktop for Windows 10. So before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, first of all, open your browser, any kind of browser like that, and type this search button Firefox, then search it. Okay guys, after search it, then you get a link on the top. Just click this link. Okay, now look at this. This is Mozilla Firefox official website, and you can download here. You can read every instruction carefully. Okay, now if you want to download, there have a lot of options. There have a download option, download Firefox, and again have download Firefox. Guys, this is one of the best browser for your laptop for Windows 10, and you can also use Chrome browser and Opera Mini. Both of them are good, but Mozilla Firefox also good. So if you want to download, just tap on this download option, and after that it's loading, and look at this, it's downloading here. After open, just tap on this. After finish download, just tap this and then tap on and minimize my browser, and now click on this run option, and then tap or click yes, and then click reinstall, and wait here for few moments. Now it's installing. After install that, I will show you how to use or how to do that. Wait here few moments. Guys, I recently used Mozilla Firefox because they have no lagging for YouTube. YouTube is openly or smoothly running on Firefox, so I want to use Firefox browser, and it's installing now. Wait here for 100% install. It's already almost 50%, and look at this Firefox optimization, your settings for speed. Firefox speed is best, one of the best for speed, and this browser is privacy and safety, and this browser is safety and privacy for your all data, anything, for everything. Every data is safe is here for Mozilla Firefox. So I would recommend you for use Mozilla Firefox browser. Guys, wait for a few moments. It's installing now. Guys, I want to request again you, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay, after that tap on finish. Almost done, and look at this. Here have Firefox, and this Firefox is already installed. So if you want to run it or use it, just click this, and they will recommend you if Firefox is default browser. I will give not now, I will make it later. Then remove this, and look at this. Most important website is here. So guys, I will recommend you if you want to use Mozilla Firefox, this is one of the best. So I will install it and use it. So in this way you can install and use Mozilla Firefox.